back to another interesting tutorial about 168A China importation business. For every update on 168A, there is always a new features that come with every update you make on 168A. But quite a lot number of people does not know how to use some of these features. And in today's video, I'm going to disclose to you one of the latest features that has been released on 168A Chinese shopping app, which allow you to do price comparison with just your screenshot on 168A Chinese shopping app. You just need to turn on the tools, and from there you can start using price comparison from different supplier of the same category product on 168A Chinese shopping app. If you really want to know how to use these tools and how you can update your 168A Chinese shopping app in order to have this particular new feature of 168A Chinese shopping app, stay tuned to this video and let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 168, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using 168A Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your 168A Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to simply click on here to open up my 168A Chinese shopping app. After you open up your 168A Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you update the app to a latest version. If you don't know how to update your 168A Chinese shopping app to a latest version, let me simply walk you through step by step on how you can update your 168A Chinese shopping app. Because without updating your app to a latest version, you will not be able to see those features I'm talking about right here in this video. So for you to update your 168A Chinese shopping app, follow me. First thing first, make sure you click on this icon right here, your profile icon. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on this setting icon from the top right here. So click on the setting icon. Then it's going to take you right here. Now here, you have to simply scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to this particular point right here. So as at the time of making this video, the current version of 168A Chinese shopping app is 11.66.0.0. This is the latest version. So what you need to do, if you have not updated with this particular version, simply click on here. Make sure you simply click on here, and in a few seconds, so you can see my app has been fully up to date. So, but from your own hand, when you click on here, it will start to download the update. Allow the update to download completely. Once the update downloads completely, then you have to simply come back here and see the features of these particular features I'm talking about right here. So, and after a complete update of your 168A Chinese shopping app, you still need to come back right here and make sure you look for AI price comparison feature. It's a new feature and the app is right here. The tool is here. So what you need to do is to click on here after you have updated your 168A Chinese shopping app to a latest version. So simply click on that. So when you click on that, it's going to take you right here. Now by default, you have AI button which is turned on already. And this tool here is being on 168A for a very long time, which allow you to use AI to source for products from different manufacturer of different category of product. So what you want to do here is to make sure you enable this button. This button here allow you to do price comparison based on screenshot on your 168A Chinese shopping app. For that, simply turn on this. Once you turn it on, it's that simple. The next thing we want to do here is to simply go back to our 168A Chinese shopping app. Go back, and from home page right here. Now back to the home page right here. Let's see how we can simply make use of this particular price comparison AI features on 168A. After you have enabled it and you have updated your 168A Chinese shopping app, the next thing you want to do is to put it into use. How do we use that? How do we use that? Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on your camera icon right here. When you click on your camera icon, then you see this icon right here from your phone. You will see this icon right here. Okay, now you can simply position your camera to a particular product, then click on here to open the price comparison. Allow it to scan, then it's going to scan the product right here. Then what you want to do right here is to make sure you take a snap of the picture of the product. When you take a snap of the product, then next thing you need to do is to allow it to open up. Then here you have the price comparison icon on your phone screen right here. Now what you want to do here is to click on here, then allow the system to screen, and it's going to show you some of the price comparison right here. You can see right here we have different prices of this particular product right here. Same product with this, same product with this. So we can scroll down and see more. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products based on this particular price comparison right here. Then from here, you can easily check on a very cheap one with a recommended by 1688. One of them is this particular store right here. So I'm going to simply click on this store. You can see the same product with a very ridiculous cheap price right here. So as at the time of making this video, this is the original price for one pieces of this particular product. But based on price comparison AI2, we are paying this amount, 7.3 yuan, as at the time of making this video. So this is one of the tricks by which you can use to source for product for high quality and at a very cheap price using this new AI2 comparison price on 1688 is concerned. More tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship, import product or source product from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. Consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Peace.